Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on Mana. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from another down channel, price and pumped very well, but got rejected by a long-term resistance of 85 cents. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after getting rejected by this resistance of 85 cents, it has tested this very long-term support of 27 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support is a quite long-term, by the way. Previously, it had been working as a very strong support here for several weeks. And here it was working as support in here. And by the way, here it was also working as support. And recently, you can see that exactly, almost exactly from the same support level of 27 cents. The pricing is geared up. And now we have the next resistance here. That was, in fact, previously working as support. That was at 37 cents. That is also a quite long-term resistance. Recently, it was working as support here, but here for several days, it had been working as a resistance and support here. And if we move more back, then here it was also working as a support. And again, it can work as a strong resistance because we have broken it down, and then we have this down trend line resistance as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Mana that I shared by the way on 18th of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Mana was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line, as expected, dropped down, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice price reversal, very massive reversal. And this was almost 113%, very, very massive rally. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Mana. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this down channel. And by the way, I have been telling you that the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 80 cents, and you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target up to 85 cents. But here at 85 cents, we already had a very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this 85 cents has been working as a very strong resistance here and almost as support here. And by the way, for a few weeks, it has been working as a resistance here as well. And here it was also working as a resistance, and here it was also working as a resistance, and here for almost 4 or 5 weeks it had been working as a support. And therefore now again it is working as a very, very strong resistance. And now after this rejection, we had a big drop, and we have tested this long-term support of 27 cents. And now we need to break out this next resistance of 37 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then you can see that this 37 cents has been recently working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks. Before that, it had been working as a very strong support here for several weeks or months. And before that, here it was also working as support. And here back in the month of June 2021, it was also working as a support as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Mana. By the way, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this down channel. The long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between $6.50 to $7. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.